Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is one that I would like you guys to tackle in the comment section, so I'm really looking forward to your comments on this one. It is just a question, so I want the answers then in the comment section, but I'll read you the question, I'll read you some of the responses to it, then I'll invite you to come and give your response in the comment section as well. So, should married women buy properties in their husband's name or in theirs? So that's the question. So now these are some of the answers that some people have given to that question. That Port Harcourt boy is the name of the first respondent. Girls, don't play yourself, and I mean this. If you are buying property, buy it in your name. Nigerian laws will not protect you in the event of a divorce. You can lose everything. Heck, he can even die and his family will toss you and the female kids out on the street. So this is what some first responder had to say. And then that same guy, that Port Harcourt guy, he goes on to add, don't even move mad in my heart. When women die intestate, their husbands easily inherit their estate without question. Shall we talk about hundreds of women who were kicked out of houses they contributed to buying after divorce or widowhood? A word is enough for the wise. So that Port Harcourt boy is the name of the respondent, so that tells you he's male, but clearly he feels very passionate about it. So maybe there's some personal experience there that he's tapping into to give his comment. So we carry on. Let's see what the rest of the body of the piece says. It says, should married women buy properties in their husband's name or in theirs? The above question was asked on Twitter, and Twitter users have differing opinions. Some advised it's better the woman buys the property in her name, because if she does so in her husband's name, she would lose it all to him in the case of a divorce, or to his family in the case of the man's death. But others said that since they are a family now, she should buy properties in the husband's name or in the family name. So here are more of the responses that that comment excited. So Ifeanyi K, marriage means they are now one family. Property should be in family name. So that's a typical traditional Nigerian view. So this now is an Arab-looking guy. His name is Teacher. He says, in their name, please avoid confusion. So next we have Zalk PT. Provided there is love and trust, family are meant to acquire, share, give, and pass property to each other. So that's just some of the responses. I'm not going to go through all of the responses because there's just too many of them to go through, but really it's just a question that I'm really looking to put out, and we're setting this in a Nigerian setting. So in a Nigerian setting, should a woman acquire property in her husband's name? So in her husband's name means the husband's first name and last name, so not in their family name, so not in their Mrs. something and then using the guy's compound name, but in the guy's first and last name, so that the property is then solely registering in the guy's name. So should a woman buy properties in her husband's name? That's the question, and it's a tricky question given the Nigerian setting, but then it's a complex question also given the Nigerian setting. So now this is the question for this video, so this is what I'm inviting you to have a conversation with me about. So conversations in the comment section, please. But before you come join me in the comment section to have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then once you've done both, come join me in the comment section where we can have this conversation together. So I'll leave you here. I'll meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.